What's up everybody, it's Graphics here again, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to download and then install HITFILM Express. Now for those that don't know what HITFILM is, HITFILM is a software that can do stuff like movie editing, video editing and animations. And the good thing is that it is very free. You don't have to pay for it, you just have to download it and start using it. So to download the software, open your browser and type in HITFILM Express, and then come to this link that says fxhome.com and come here where it says download HITFILM Express. Now once you're here, make sure to slide this icon to the far left and then click on download. Now you're going to enter your name, your details here, create an account and click this button that says send me the express download. Once you've clicked here, open your email and you'll have this email from FX Home, and when you click this get yourself Express, you'll start downloading automatically. So you come here and choose the version for Windows, click on that and start downloading. Now I'm going to cancel this because I already have the software installed on my computer. Once you've downloaded the software, you're going to click next a number of times and you have it installed on your computer. Once you've downloaded and installed the software, you're going to want to activate it. So to activate it, just enter the email and or username and password which you used while creating the account when you were downloading it, and it will be you'll have to restart the software, close it and open it again, and you'll have it installed on your computer and activated. So it will look something like this after you've done everything, the installation and the activation.